So in your mails that you write through Thunderbird, you can also add in table of contents. Let's say, for example, I'm going to go around and say first title right here, just like this, and I'm going to say another title right here, and I'm going to go around and say one more title, and I'm going to go around and say more and more title. Let's say, for example, and I'm simply going to go around and add in a paragraph around over here as well, like this is a paragraph, just like this. And if I were to go ahead and copy and paste this out, this is what you have, as you can see. And then I'm going to go around and paste this out right here, paste this out, and this is what you have. So now I'm going to go to the first title and select, let's say, heading 1 for this. And for this one, I'm going to select heading 2, let's say, for example, just like this. And then I'm going to go around over here, select heading 2 for this one as well. And then for this one, let's say I'm going to select heading 2 again, just like this. So now I can go around onto the top, let's say, for example, and then click on insert. And here you can see the table of contents is an option. Let's just go around onto insert, and around over here, you can name the class according to how you want as well. But let me just leave it to tag, and then make the table of contents read only and press OK. So once you do that, you can see that the table of content has been inserted around over here, just like this. So let's just go around and select this. Let's say, for example, remove out the a numbering right here, and this is what you have right here. So this is title, and it is linked on with the different titles that you have right here in the email. And that is how you can insert out mail table of contents inside of Thunderbird. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.